Hey there mga kabatak! Today I will show you the very fast and very easy way to see where is your YouTube channel's link. So let's see. First, you have to open your YouTube app. Then on the top right corner, here, your YouTube icon, you have to tap it. Yes. Then tap your channel. After tapping your channel, you will see the three dots here on the top corner. So you have to open it. Yeah. Then share, copy link. So the link is already here. Then if you want to copy it to your Messenger, WhatsApp like that, or any Gmail, Yahoo, anywhere. So for example, we will do it, copy link. Then we will paste it, for example, in WhatsApp. So here we will paste this. So this is your link. This is your channel's link and it already came here. So it's very fast and easy like this. And thank you today guys for watching, and see you on the next video.